Guys, let's be friends. Our trio will be the strongest.
Alliance with India. Never.
I don't want any alliance with Ottoman Empire as well.
What just happened? Right now.
Not again.
Maybe Long Wang really won.
Who is Long Wang? And what happened to Sunlight?
Actually,
Meanwhile,
First King Dynasty, then Canada, and now Sunlight is gone as well. Why I am still here, just to suffer. Editor, please kill me. I don't want to live in this cruel world.
hey buddy, you still have friends.
Where? Why I can't see them?
How can you forget United Kingdom and Soviet Union?
Oh yes. Thanks for reminding me this, editor. You are the best.
Oh wait, did I say United Kingdom? How can I forget that United Kingdom is dead as well? All because of that Ottoman Empire.
meanwhile,
Hey UK, look who is here. UK. Oh, now I got it. You want me to call you United Kingdom, right? Okay, so United Kingdom, look who is here. United Kingdom, what is wrong with you? Why you aren't responding? No. You left me to United Kingdom.
Hi, America.
Ireland, look what happened to United Kingdom.
Oh, yes, I saw. By the way, I was thinking, United Kingdom is gone. What about we two become friends? And I will take control of United Kingdom land.
How you can say something like this?
shout out to